Hey guys, how's it going? This is Rob with Lukat again. Check out this black paint job. It's oxidized, it's clear coat. Man, it's windy today. If your paint job looks bad like that, when you wash it, looks good like this, okay, and then it dries up, turns ugly again, you don't want to wax it, you want to clean it. You want to use this one. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner, okay? When you put this on, you don't use it like a wax because there's no wax in it. What you do instead is you clean back and forth over the same area until it clears up. This is not a cutter, it's a cleaner. It's designed for cleaning, so if your clear coat's thin, you can clean it up instead of removing it. This stuff is amazing. It's easy to use, and you can clean it in sections. It's a permanent fix because you're removing the buildup that's causing the haze and the erosion. So when you do this, you basically just cleaned it up. Look how beautiful that came out. Can you see the reflection in there? So this is Lukat Fix It, guys. Now, it's a two-step process. I recommend that you use the other one too. This is called Easy Wax. Easy Wax is sealer or sealing wax. I got gum in my mouth. Hey. When you put this on, you work it into the paint, let it dry. Once it dries up, it turns into a tough, glossy coat. So this is designed to lock in that beautiful paint you just brought back. Look how beautiful that came out, okay? So you want to use them both in tandem because one's going to clean it 100% and the other one's going to seal it and protect it. This will save you thousands of dollars because you can clean your paint up before it peels. And if it's peeling, clean it up anyways. It's worth it. I mean, stuff is amazing. Check us out at lukaddetail.com. Talk to you guys later.